This is a review video by Brooklyn Wilson
and Zachy Claiborne
of GCF and LCM. GCF stands for greatest common factor.
LCM stands for least common multiple. We use it
Please pause and solve. We will go over it when you finish. I hope you'll solve these two problems. Now we'll go over the first one. 1 goes into 20, 20 times. 2 goes into 20, 10 times. 4 goes into 20, 5 times. 1 goes into 30, 30 times. 2 goes into 30, 15 times. 3 goes into 30, 10 times. 5 goes into 30, 6 times. 1 goes into 40, 40 times. 2 goes into 40, 20 times. 4 goes into 40, 10 times. 5 goes into 40, 8 times. Now they all have a 5, but they all have a 10, and the greatest common factor is 10. Now Zachy will take you.
So first we do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now we will go to our next one. 5, 10, 15, and we stopped there because I already see one, but that we still have to do 15. 15. And we stopped right there because we have our LCM, our least common multiple, which is 15. Now we will take you to the BCS.
Your first bring back to school problem is find the GCF of 40, 20, and 60. Your second bring back to school problem is
30. We have to find the LCM of 36, 3, and 6. Hope you have a good day. Bye.